Thank you for your interest in Faith Academy Elementary School. My name is Kristen MacKay, and I am the elementary school principal this year. I would like to share with you briefly some of the distinctives of our school through the lens of our core values. Our first core value as a school is a Great Commission partnership. As a school, we are passionate about participating in the Great Commission. The teachers at Faith Academy are themselves missionaries who have been called to the ministry of teaching and building relationships with their students. The vision of our school is to see God's kingdom and the Great Commission advanced through transformative, Christ-centered education. As we provide for the educational needs of families, we partner with missionaries, pastors, and local ministry workers in spreading the good news about Jesus to the Philippines and throughout Asia. Our second core value is excellence in education. We as a school are committed to best practices in education. In the elementary school, we believe that children learn best by doing. As we teach, we are training students to be creative and critical thinkers, to be self-directed learners and proficient collaborators. We want them to become skillful communicators and faithful stewards. These 5 learning outcomes are woven into the fabrics of all the activities of our school. Learning in the elementary school is process-oriented and focused on the whole child. We seek to foster a grace-based growth mindset in our students as we help them to learn in an environment where they're safe to embrace challenges, learn from others as well as from their own mistakes and failures, where they can solve problems and try new strategies. Students are encouraged to do their best and persevere even when they're frustrated. All of this helps them to grow academically, spiritually, socially, and emotionally. Our classes utilize a workshop approach that incorporates interaction and collaboration with peers. Our mathematics program provides integrated instruction in problem solving, conceptual understanding, fluency with facts and procedures, and communicating mathematically. Using a workshop model, teachers provide challenging problems, help students to develop the concepts necessary to solve problems, and coach students individually and in small groups to supplement and extend the whole class instruction. Collaborative work is necessary for deep understanding as well as the development of reasoning and communication skills. The curriculum we utilize is provided by Engage New York and follows the Common Core standards for mathematics. The Language Arts program provides a balanced instruction in reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Literacy instruction is explicit and integrated in all subject areas, providing students with interdisciplinary experiences for learning. Literacy skills and strategies are again developed through a workshop model. Critical thinking and collaboration are vital as students become passionate, lifelong readers, writers, and communicators. Our curriculum is standards-based with grade level benchmarks aligned to the Common Core state standards for language arts. In addition to the classes of mathematics, reading, and writing, students have classes in Bible, art, computer, music, physical education, science, social studies, and Tagalog. Our third core value is gospel integration. We are dedicated to seeing the gospel permeate everything we do, both in and out of the classroom. Faith Academy emphasizes the preeminent value of Scripture and desires that students would share this regard for it, seeing it as the primary guide and influence in their lives, not merely a subject or another class to be studied. We also recognize that faith should not be blindly accepted as taught, but should be reasoned out and made personal, leading to deeper understanding and a relationship with God. To work towards these goals, We strive to integrate biblical principles into our curriculum, to guide our students in developing a biblical worldview that answers the major questions in life and encourages Christian discipleship and growth. Spiritual growth is fostered both in and out of the classroom through daily Bible classes, weekly chapels, and lessons that integrate biblical principles and teachers who love and follow Jesus. We are a vibrant, multicultural community bound together by Christian love. We seek to honor and respect people of all cultural backgrounds as we together learn to cultivate rich and caring relationships. One of the highlights of the year for our elementary school is Filipina Week, when we learn about and celebrate the Philippines. Each grade level focuses on a different aspect of life here in the Philippines. A ministry focus is chosen for each year, and students get to experience various aspects of culture, including games, music, dances, and food. International Week is a way for us to honor and respect the cultural backgrounds of all our students and the countries of the world through activities and hands-on experiences. Students also learn about God's heart for the world and pray for the nations. Faith Academy Elementary School is a rich and nurturing environment where growth and learning flourish. Minds are challenged, hearts are guided to Jesus, and lifelong friendships are forged. I would be happy to answer any questions you might have about the elementary school and our program of education. Please feel free to email me at esd.principal@faith.edu.ph, and we can set up a time for us to meet. Thank you.